it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction. Are we back again, guys? Back again. Squash, Big Breeze. That one I just dropped, so me up. So I'm say, yo, me just jump and just react to it and see what I go on. So Squash, Big Breeze. Big up yourself, 6 bars. So I'm jumping on and here with the G office says, so let's go.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
How are the blood clot discharging? Check! Batman, me on the town, bro.
Lord Big Breeze!
The blood clot in the charge, the top of my head, bro.
Hide them alright, pussy on the sugar on them.
Oh, no, we can't see them.
Big Breeze!
No, we have to. Jesus Christ.
Hold on. That up in them town something that derived from Skeng. When Skeng did there in Miami, in a squash place. We know it's a Skeng and Squash not good. Once a real screw. We're not getting at that. And then we're there, we see Lavas drop a mobile and do the same thing as say I'm up in them town. No, Squash there in Miami, I say I'm up in them town. Alright.
God kill me if I let me tell. See them up in them town. How are the blood clot discharging? Check! Batman, me on the town, bro.
Lord Big Breeze!
The blood clot in the charge, the top of my head, bro.
Hide them alright, pussy on the sugar on them.
Oh, no, we can't see them.
Big Breeze!
No, we have to. Jesus Christ.
Big Breeze!
Please stop it capping. Hey boy, please stop it capping. More nose in a yard of foreign. Yeah, they done solid. Top cap of them, I see a top cap of them. Round below us and them can't buy your bed. Hype them hype. With them friend things, we no frightened if we boy not a link. Them pussy.
So I put them friend things. This are some a fire for somebody, you know. Leave in the comment section who the things Squash attack. Cause the up in them town bit is obvious. Either Skeng or Labas. Them say him and Labas not good. We don't know what go on. Me don't know what go on. I am not here to speculate. I'm here to react. Let's go.
Solid. Top cap of them, I see a
Top cap of them.
Round below us and them can't buy your bed. Hype them hype. With them friend things, we no frightened if we boy not a link. Them pussy no cash. Bro, what you have, boy, you know about Squash. What you know? 80 grand when me pay for me watch. US. I be a ride from a put pan the block. Woof, woof, woof. Why you a laps? Fuck them gal pa me snap. Me a sip penny and she a lick cock. 6.
Pull up! Yo!
Hold on, man. One thing with Squash, man, I'm give only for melody. One thing with Squash, man, I'm gonna give melody, pan top of melody.
God kill me if I let me tell.
No joke.
See them up in them town.
Big Breeze.
How are the blood clot discharging?
Big Breeze.
on the town, bro.
Lord Big Breeze!
The blood clot in the charge, the top of my head, bro.
Hide them alright, pussy on the sugar on them.
Oh, no, we can't see them.
Big Breeze!
No, we have to. Jesus Christ.
Big Breeze. Bumbo clock.
More nose in a yard.
I'm foreign.
Yeah, they done solid. Top cap of them, I see a top cap of them. Round below us and them can't buy your bed. Hype them hype. With them friend things, we no frightened if we boy not a link. Them pussy no cash. Bro, what you have, boy, you know about Squash. What you know? 80 grand when me pay for me watch. US. I be a ride from a put pan the block. Woof, woof, woof. Why you a laps? Fuck them gal pa me snap. Me a sip penny and she a lick cock. 6 in a Miami, you better pay tax. Spread the word. Top Shatters is back. Big Breeze, man, in a them.
Spread the word. Top Shatters is back. So that's that line they forward from Shatters when Biggs and Wayne did drop back Miami and said the same thing. Spread the word. Top Shatters is back.
Gal pa me snap. Me a sip penny and she a lick cock. 6 in a Miami, you better pay tax. Spread the word. Top Shatters is back. Big Breeze, man, in a them town. Yeah, the 6 real. Tell them not to fuck brown. With the rich team, and the killers them out. When the chip squeeze, as soon as they touch ground. Big Breeze, man, in a them town. Yeah, the 6 real. Tell them not to fuck brown. Cap of them, brother. Now listen to them. Portion a shot in, I'm a portion a trap. 6 lucky city, them a portion a cap.
Portion a shot in, I'm a portion a. Say I say portion a shot in and portion a gun. A 6 lucky city them boy a portion a cap. Them a lie them a tell a be a cap them a portion.
Somebody touch ground.
This bad, but like this one.
6 real, tell them not to fuck brown. Cap of them, brother. Listen to them. Portion a shot in and a portion a strap. 6 lucky city, them a post and a cap. From me said the word, every road that we block. Me in a on a town, on a shoe up on a back. Working on my pocket, girl a choke on my cock. Can't take it bag of chattings, go and smoke on no crack. Them a depart for me level, on no know, on no flap.
Can't take a bag of chatting, go and smoke on the crack. Oh, them say a crackhead in the business, you know. Them say a skeng a crackhead in the business, you know. That's how the people them call skeng. Junkie. I don't mean say so. And the people them say so. So.
Cap of them, brother. I listen to them. Portion a shot in and my portion a trap. 6 lucky city, them a post and a cap. From me said the word, every road that we block. Me in a on a town, on a shoe up on a back. Working on my pocket, girl a choke on my cock. Can't take it bag of chattings, go and smoke on no crack. Them a depart for me level, on no know, on no flap. Tell the cats if you run down your rat. Them
You know, depend for me level on a no on a flap. So it's definitely a musician in my talk. Somebody will flap. Who flap in their business? Who flap in their business? Who not talk to me? Talk to me in the comment section. Who not talk to me in the comment section? Who flap in their business? Who flap in their business? Who never say flap in their business? I'm just here. That's what Scotch said, not me.
up on the back. Working on my pocket, girl a choke on my cock. Can't take it bag of chattings, go and smoke on no crack. Them a depart for me level, on no know, on no flap. Tell the cats if you run down your rat. Them pussy not no cash. Bro, what you have, what you know about squash? What you know? 80 grand when me pay for me watch. US. I be a rifle, me put pan the block. Woof, woof, woof. Boy, you a laps. Fuck them gal pa me snap. Me a see penny and she a lick cock. 6 in a Miami, you better pay tax. Ready word. Top shatter is back. Big breeze, man in a them town. Yeah, the 6 real. Tell them not to fuck round. With the rich team and the killers them out. When the chip squeeze, as soon as they touch ground. Big breeze, man in a them town. Yeah, the 6 real. Tell them not to fuck round.
All them say them a mish, and if them dead right now, them casket here than in room set. You can't.
All them say them a meat, and if them dead right now, and for bury, them funeral package are gonna be more than them bedroom set. So basically, boss, I say yo, on a meat only one time on a dead. I get send off good. Right now, on a live good cause better on a dead then. Better on a dead cause one time on a dead, on a live a better life than one time on a live a better life. No. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let's go.
All them say them a mish, and if them dead right now, them casket here than in room set. You can't see a rich, and if you lay down in your bed, you have a big sink. That is not a bed. That is a hammock. If you don't believe me, ask God. And if you lay down in your bed, you have a big sink. That is not.
Your bed have a big sink. That is not a bed, that is a hammock for real, my G. That is a hammock.
Casket here than in room set. You can't see a rich, and if you lay down in your bed, you have a big sink. That is not a bed. That is a hammock. If you don't believe me, ask God. Yo, man.
Yeah, that shit's funny, bro. Think about it. That's even talking to dog. If you lay down in your bed, and your bed have a big sink in it, whether the bedboard them broke, the bed spring them fly out, or your mattress not good, that is a hammock, brother. You're not gonna sleep comfortable. You're not hammock. I'm okay now, move your ass. I will my talk. I don't know. I will my talk.
Right now, them casket here than in room set. You can't see a rich, and if you lay down in your bed, you have a big sink. That is not a bed. That is a hammock. If you don't believe me, ask God.
Byron,
I don't see them in my hometown. I wish hometown, you know. They circle my hometown. I don't see nobody. I wish hometown, you know. When them see sign, welcome to Moby, enough of them start shaking, you know, man.
So, let me say that the intro. 6 Labas sit there Moby and then take a picture next to the sign and I say open them town and them go and show and big up Shabdan. You know, say Shabdan and Squash not good in my big up Squash. So people have speculated on the media say yo friction are going there. So to we looking in, to we on the outside looking in, the definitely friction are going to we. Definitely friction are going to we. Can't bias about that. You see me? But on me says the people them say so still. So let's go.
When them see sign, welcome to Moby, enough of them start shaking, you know, man. I want to start shaking that. I go on the ground. Moby about this. You hear that?
That's about SRT and a Mad Benz. Oh, class. Bads, big up. Oi, 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 oi. Big Breeze. Who squash attack? Leave in the comment section. Who on squash? Who on squash right now? Because squash have ups, you know. Squash have ups, bro. We know the squash have ups. So let's not try and go around it. We know the G have squash. The G have ups. Yo, this bad still. Melody as always. Squash melody them always catchy dog. Squash song them catches. Squash have the song. Squash have the formula there. For have this catchy melody them. Make people actually listen to the song them I want to play it again. For actually catch. For actually catch more of the lyrics where I must say. But chorus always catch him. Big Breeze. Yo, Big Breeze for you. Me like it. Me like it. Who get binds in another one there? Who get greens? Who get greens? Who get greens? Who get greens? Big up 6 bars. Big up the team. Roar. Yo, this is Megali Donuts. If you enjoyed that one, I want some more. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there, and I will see you in the next one. Roar. Big Breeze.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And it's a rip corner.